This is the main base set of the Panasonic phone set that we bought. As you can see, well, I have it in Spanish because we are in a Mexico-based office in the border with the States, and we have it configured in Spanish first. Then we like this set because it has a built-in answering machine. We can get messages directly in the answering machine. We use the address book. We have some of our clients and employees here. And there's a funny thing. I'm going to call my office from my other phone, and you'll see that it will tell us who's calling. The phone call is ringing. It tells who's calling if we have it registered in the phone book.
Call from Oscar Vega 2.
So it will tell us who is it.
Call from Oscar Vega 2.
You see, it reads the name. So if you are far away from the phone, you'll know who's calling. That's great. Now the answering machine answers the phone call. Hola, soy Oscar Vega. So the recording stops. I already hung up the phone call from my other cell phone. And when we arrive in the office the next day or after lunch or whatever, we can see that we have a message here. So we just click this.
Nuevo mensaje.
One new message.
Hola, soy Oscar Vega.
And there's the message. We can call back or save the phone. It will tell us when the call was, and that's it. So it's really useful. The message will stay there until we erase it. But I just want to tell you that this Panasonic telephone is great. We also have, it will tell us that there's a lot of call, of course. And we have this intercom that I can call, for example, my office or the salesperson's office. And if I call my office, it's like an intercom. It's an internal call. So we're happy with this phone set. It's a very nice one, and for the price, it's a great deal. Thank you. I am now at my office, and I also get this message that there's a missed call. And if I want to take a look at it, where's the here it is, the answering machine. Okay, there's not a new message because we already hear it, remember?
No tiene nuevos mensajes.
There are no new messages, but I can play other messages. See, you can do everything in the extension, not only in the base phone. So it's a great set. If you need one, you should buy this one. This is the extension that I use in my office. We even have configured this intercom. So I have a base phone where I call my main receptionist, and this accessories is the extension that we have in another area of the office where the sales people is. Accessories in Spanish will be like sale person in English. So this is a great phone set. I can use it with speakerphone That works great. I have it in my office with a very low ringtone because all the calls are answered first by my receptionist. So it is a great phone set. I recommend it. Thank you.